to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from SJVN Limited, Miniratna PSU. When you will go to the official website of SJVN, you can see here in the career page, current job, there are two latest notification posted. First is for the detailed advertisement for the post of junior field engineer or junior field officer for Arunachal Pradesh project. So this is for the diploma students, and second is for the recruitment of field engineers or field officers for the Arunachal Pradesh project. This is for the engineers. So when you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement will be open. Let's talk about this vacancy in the detail. First of all, they are going to recruit without GATE exam. Second, they will conduct their own written test plus group discussion and then personal interview. Then there will be the final selection. Okay. So let's talk about here how many vacancies are there, how to apply. Let's have a look. So first of all, I can see here as this is a PSU Miniratna company. So now this is for the civil field engineer will be the designation. Number of vacancies are 75. Requirement is BE Tech in civil engineering with minimum 55% marks. If you are from SC ST PWD, then it is a 50% marks. Okay. Next is for mechanical. Number of vacancies 10. Post is same field engineer BE Tech in mechanical. Electrical engineering, number of vacancies are 15. BE Tech in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering students can apply here. Environmental, for BE Tech in environmental, post are 5. HR finance is also mentioned here. Next is IT BE Tech, number of posts are 5. BE Tech in computer science or IT is also applicable here. Okay, you can see more OL, PR, law, geology, safety. Okay, in safety you can see number of posts are 4, and here BE Tech in industrial safety or full-time degree in engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical with full-time post-graduate degree diploma students can apply here. So you can see this one also. Now the total number of vacancies overall are 153 here. Okay, so when we talk about the upper age limit, the upper age limit is here 30 years as on the closing date. Okay, and when we go for the compensation or the remuneration, so here the remuneration is fixed, remuneration is 60,000 rupees plus they will have the additional remuneration 100% of the fixed remuneration. Okay, plus 50% of the fixed remuneration. So this is a very good, you can see 60 plus 60 is here, so definitely it's a very good. Now so all the allowances are mentioned here, you can see before applying. Next is the category wise reservation of the post. If there are total 75 vacancies, for the unreserved this is 32, for reservation it is mentioned. So you can check here if there are total 153 vacancies, so for unreserved student this is 82, and category wise division is mentioned here. Okay, upper age limit we already had a discussion, 30 year, and age relaxation is definitely there according to the rule of government of India. Now this is important, selection process. Selection process consists of CBT, computer based test or the written test, okay, followed by the group discussion and personal interviews. And here mark obtained in the CBT written test shall carry weightage 75%, group discussion 10%, and personal interview will consist of 15%. These places will be the centers for the written test. Okay. Now what will be the syllabus of for CBT as it is mentioned here? In CBT test will be in the two parts. Part 1 will consist of 120 multiple choice questions of the relevant discipline, means your technical, and part 2 will having 30 multiple choice questions from the aptitude. Okay, and minimum qualification marks in CBT shall be 40% for the SC ST PWD candidates, and others for it is 50%. All right. Placement as it is mentioned, this is for specifically for the Arunachal Pradesh. So this project is for the Arunachal Pradesh only. Alright, now more conditions are mentioned. Now this is very important that this is candidate is temporary in nature and on contract basis for the initial period of 3 years. So this is initially for the minimum 3 years, then they can extend your job also. Alright, now these details you can see before applying. Please look at each and every instruction here. Now how to apply, you can go through directly to the official website sjvn.nsc.in and you can apply there directly. Okay, now here how to important. Okay, now here the online registration will start from the 18th September and the last date will be 9th October. As today it's not started, it will start from the 18th September. Okay, and last date is 9th October. All right, now all these things here mentioned, and one more thing is about the fees is also, yeah, this is for if you are from general EWS and OBC category candidates, then you need to pay application fee as a rupees 600 plus GST. But if you are from SC ST PWD, then there is no need to pay any fees. Alright guys, for the detailed notification directly you can go to the SJVN website and you can see the details. Alright guys, thank you. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.